Hi everybody, let's create this paper tone or lift paper effect in Canva. So here's my image. First remove the background and adjust its size. Now add 4 blank pages and change the background color or image as per your liking. I'm going with these 3 colors and one old newspaper background. Now copy the image and paste it on all 4 pages. This way it will appear on the same position on every page. Download these 4 background pages as PNG and upload it back on Canva. Now go to the first page and add a background color. Go to the elements and search paper tone frame and hit enter. Then go to the frames tab and there you can see many options for this effect. Place the frames as you like. I am going to add these. I am turning this frame upside down. Add more frames as you like. Now go to upload tab and select the one with newspaper background. Okay, so what happens when you hover the image over the frames, it keep inserting itself into the frames. To avoid this, the tip is to press Ctrl key on your keyboard while hovering so it won't fit itself into the frames. Now place the image in frame, double click and adjust the position as per the main image so it overlaps the main image. Now add the remaining images to the frames. Oh, you remember we rotated this frame, so when we insert the image, it goes upside down. So the trick is to rotate the image first upside down and then insert in frame. This way, it will appear in upright position. Now add the remaining images to the frames. Now go to elements and search paper tone in graphics. Here you have many options. Now there's 2 ways to add these effects. First is to copy the frame, detach its image and delete it, and insert the paper tone effect you want to use in the frame. Now place the frame little bit down to the original frame and sand it back. This will show a tone effect on the edges of the frame. The other option is to simply choose the position manually and send it back to the frame. You can adjust the size, crop it, cut the edges depending on your design. So these are the 2 ways to add this paper tone effect. Let's just quickly add all the effects. Adjust your image as per your liking. And here's the final look. I hope you guys like the video. See you next time.